Just a teaser here, just to say, look what I got. We'll talk about those later. I'll show you what else we got.
Hey, today we picked up finally a chainsaw, the Husqvarna 435, and I'm really liking it. We took these trees down a little bit ago, and these arborvitae type trees, and so now I'm just finishing the job of cleaning up and taking these, making super quick work out of it. And well, let's just get to chopping some more stuff.
Timber! I just wanted to show off. I have the raspberries done. I've trimmed off those gangly, long, running tops. Now it's nice and neat, and I'm ready for raspberries to start growing. Of course, down here, the marionberries are still a mess. But I have started also cleaning up the corn patch that was here. So I still have a little bit more to do, but you can see right over here, we have a growing compost pile. So excited to get this cleaned up so I can get some stuff planted. Good morning, everyone. Sunday morning here, and it looks like we're taking down a tree or two today, at least one of them. My husband has a new chainsaw, and a friend that has tree felling experience, so that's what's happening today.
One.
Yeah, it is. Holy smokes. not tall enough.
Oh, that's the little one. Yeah, it's not the big one. Okay, I just want to get this cut down here because I'm going to cut. I'm going to do a face cut and come from the back side. Yeah. Okay.
You want a wedge to put in there? I got a hatchet.
There you go. I think.
It goes. Boom.
Wow.